Picture this. You have a great idea for a new product or service, but the thought of building a landing page makes you freeze. You don't know how to code, and you don't have the time to learn. But what if you could describe your page in plain language and have a working, professional landing page ready in minutes? In this video, we'll explore how to use CodeDesign AI to build a landing page from a single prompt. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we help you leverage technology and AI to bring your ideas to life without all the headache. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to create, refine, and publish a beautiful looking landing page using only your words. Understanding CodeDesign AI. CodeDesign AI is a no-code platform that turns your text prompts into complete websites. It combines a template engine, AI content generation, and built-in design guidelines to produce pages that are both attractive and functional. Unlike traditional website builders, you don't drag and drop components. Instead, you describe what you want. CodeDesign handles the structure, styling, and copywriting, producing a responsive page that works on desktop and mobile. It's particularly useful for landing pages, portfolios, event pages, and product launches. A step-by-step guide to building your landing page. Step 1, sign up and choose your language. You can create an account using your email address or social login, and once you're logged in, you may be prompted to choose the language for your site. CodeDesign supports multiple languages, allowing you to build pages for different audiences. Select the language that matches your target market. For this tutorial, we'll assume that you're building an English language landing page. Step 2, describe your landing page. So at the heart of CodeDesign is the prompt. When you create a new project, you'll see a text box asking you to describe your site. This is where you tell the AI what you want, so be specific as possible. Include details like purpose. Is your page selling a product, promoting a webinar, or collecting email signups? Audience. Who are you speaking to? Tech enthusiasts, small business owners, college students. Tone and style. Should the page feel playful, professional, minimalist, or vibrant? Sections. Do you need an about section, features, testimonials, a pricing table, FAQ, or contact form? Calls to action. What should visitors do? Sign up, pre-order, schedule a demo. Brand elements. Mention colors, fonts, or images if you have specific preferences. Step 3, generate your page. So after writing your prompt, click the generate or create button. CodeDesign will process your request and within a few moments produce a complete landing page. The platform uses AI to generate text and images that match your description. It also structures the page logically, placing sections in an order that makes sense for visitors. You'll see a live preview of the page, which you can scroll through to evaluate. The initial result may not be perfect, but it will give you a strong starting point. So take note of what you like and what needs improvement. Remember that you can iterate on your prompt to refine the page. Step 4, review and regenerate if necessary. So look at your generated page critically. Does the headline capture the essence of your product? Are the images relevant and appealing? Do the sections flow logically? If something feels off, go back to your prompt and adjust it. You can regenerate multiple times until you're happy with the general layout and content. CodeDesign allows you to save versions or go back to previous iterations if needed. This iterative process lets you explore different designs quickly without starting from scratch. Step 5, customize the page. Once you're satisfied with the overall structure, then move on to customization. CodeDesign provides editing tools to fine-tune your landing page. So here are some common adjustments. Text editing. Click on any text block to rewrite the copy. Even though the AI generates content, you might want to tweak the messaging to better reflect your brand voice. Keep your language simple and focused on benefits. Images and media. Replace stock images with your own product photos or choose from a library. You can also adjust image sizes or reposition them for better visual balance. Colors and fonts. Customize the color scheme and typography. Use your brand colors to create consistency across your marketing materials. Select fonts that are easy to read and align with your brand personality. Buttons and calls to action. Update button text, colors, and placement. Make sure your primary call to action stands out. Use concise and action-oriented phrases like join the waitlist, download now, or get started. Forms and integration. If your landing page includes a form, then configure the fields that you need, like name, email, etc., and connect it to your email marketing platform or CRM. CodeDesign often integrates with popular tools like MailChimp or HubSpot. Step 6, optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization optimization helps people find your landing page through search engine. CodeDesign allows you to customize meta titles, descriptions, and keywords. So use descriptive titles that include your product name and main benefit. Write a clear meta description that summarizes what visitors will learn or gain from the page. Avoid jargon and keep it under 160 characters. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your headings and body text. Additionally, ensure that your images have descriptive alt text. This not only helps with accessibility, but it can also improve search rankings. CodeDesign usually generates alt text automatically, but you can edit it for accuracy. All right, so it looks like it went ahead and generated our site here. So we can go ahead and see that it's already looking pretty good right off the bat. Again, we just gave it a simple 300-word prompt, and here we go. This is what we got. So looking pretty good to start. Now, down here in the bottom left, it's asking how the AI did. Good, okay, bad. I'm gonna say good, and we'll go ahead and close that out. Now up here, we can go ahead and choose from some different color themes. So you're not stuck with any of these. Like, you can actually edit any single one that you want, but these are just some sort of like cohesive options that they put together that they think fits your brand based on the prompt. And I think the one that they gave us, theme 4, definitely works best with our option here. Now to edit it, you can go ahead and click anywhere, and this will bring up the visual builder. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and it's going to prepare our website for editing. So now if we need to make any changes that we didn't like that the AI made, we can go ahead and make those changes now. So as you can see, once you're in here, you can go ahead and just click on text. You can come in here and edit this. You can change the text itself, change the size, the weight, the alignment. Maybe you want that centered. Maybe you want it to the right for some reason, but you can go ahead and make any changes there. Again, you want to come in here and swap out these stock photos for your own photos. So we come in here and click image, or we go click edit, and we click choose image, and either choose from the stock library or go ahead and upload an image directly here. Step 7, set up analytics and tracking. Before publishing, add analytics tools so you can measure the performance of your landing page. CodeDesign typically allows you to insert tracking scripts like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or other marketing analytics. Paste your tracking code into the appropriate section of the page settings. Monitoring metrics such as page views, conversion rates, and bounce rates will help you understand how well that your landing page is performing and where improvements are needed. Step 8, publish your landing page. When your page is ready, it's time to go live. CodeDesign offers several publishing options. CodeDesign subdomain. The fastest option is to publish on a free CodeDesign subdomain. For example, aquaglow.codedesign.ai. This is ideal for prototypes, MVPs, or time-sensitive campaigns. The next option is custom domain. So for a more professional look, you can connect your own domain. You'll need to update your domain's DNS settings to point to CodeDesign servers. The platform guides you through this process. Export code. If you want full control, you can export the HTML/CSS/JS code. This allows you to host the landing page on your own server or integrate it into a larger website. Exporting is useful if you plan to customize the code further or connect with other frameworks. After choosing your publishing method, click Publish and wait for deployment. Within minutes, your landing page will be accessible to the world. So once you're ready to publish, you can go ahead up to the top right here and click on Publish, and this will publish to the CodeDesign app. And just like that, our website is published. Tips for writing effective prompts. Be specific and structured. The more details you provide, the better the AI can interpret your needs. Break your prompt into sentences that cover different aspects of the page. Mention the product name, target audience, design style, required sections, and call to action. Avoid vague requests like "make it nice," and instead say, use a modern, clean design with blue and white colors. Focus on benefits over features. When describing your product, highlight what it does for the customer, rather than just listing specifications. For example, instead of "the water bottle holds 500 milliliters, you could write "it keeps drinks cold for 24 hours and fits comfortably in any backpack." This approach leads the AI to generate copy that resonates with readers. Keep the tone consistent. If you want a friendly and approachable tone, state that in your prompt. If your brand is more formal and authoritative, make that clear. Consistency in tone helps your landing page feel cohesive and trustworthy. Use examples for inspiration. If you've seen landing pages that you like, reference them in your prompt. For instance, create a page similar to the style of Apple product pages. Gives the AI a visual direction. While CodeDesign won't copy those pages, the reference helps guide aesthetics. So building a professional landing page no longer requires coding or major design skills. With CodeDesign AI, you can turn a detailed text prompt into a polished, responsive page in minutes. Start by describing your page's purpose, audience, tone, sections, and calls to action. Generate your page, review and refine it through regeneration, then customize text, images, and design elements. Optimize for SEO and add tracking to measure performance. Finally, choose a publishing option that fits your needs, whether it's a code design subdomain, your own domain, or exporting the code. So if you want to get started with code design or any other AI tools or platforms that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us keep creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you use them, thank you. We really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.